Rohan stared at the pages of his physics textbook, but the words blurred into an indecipherable mess. His mind buzzed with formulas, theories, and the ticking clock reminding him that the final exam was just hours away. His body ached from the long nights of cramming, fueled by coffee and desperation. The air in his small dorm room was thick with the scent of stale instant noodles and ink from scribbled notes scattered around him. His phone buzzed, another motivational message from his mother. "We believe in you. You'll make us proud." He turned it face down. The pressure sat heavy on his chest. 3 years ago, Rohan had been a bright-eyed freshman, excited to study engineering at one of India's top universities. But as semesters passed, the thrill of learning was replaced by an unrelenting grind. Sleepless nights, relentless assignments, and the silent competition among students crushed his spirit. He missed home, the warmth of his father's voice, the aroma of his mother's cooking, and the freedom of his childhood. But he couldn't afford to miss out on grades. His scholarship, his future, his family's dreams, all rested on this exam. A knock at the door broke his trance. His roommate, Akash, peered in. "Dude, you've been at it for days. Come take a break." Rohan shook his head. "I can't. I have to keep going." Akash sighed. "Man, you're not a robot. You need to breathe." But breathing felt like a luxury. Anxiety gnawed at Rohan's insides as he imagined the exam hall, the judging eyes of professors, the potential of failure. What if he couldn't answer a single question? What if he let everyone down? At 4 a.m., exhaustion finally caught up with him. His head dipped onto his notebook, his eyes shutting for what felt like seconds before his alarm blared at 7 a.m. Groggy and drained, he dragged himself to the exam hall. The paper was placed in front of him. His fingers trembled as he turned it over. The first question, a concept he had reviewed 100 times. But his mind went blank. His heart pounded, sweat trickling down his temples. The word swam before him, mocking his sleepless struggle. This can't be happening. Time slipped away, the invigilator's voice announcing the last 10 minutes. Rohan scribbled whatever he could, his handwriting barely legible. When the bell rang, he put down his pen, his heart sinking. Walking out of the hall, he didn't know whether to feel relieved or doomed. Akash was waiting outside. "How was it?" Akash asked. Rohan let out a hollow laugh. "I don't even know." Akash clapped a hand on his shoulder. "Hey, it's over. You did your best." But had he? Or had he just survived another battle in this endless war? That night, as he lay in bed, staring at the ceiling, he realized something. The system had conditioned him to equate his worth with his grades. But maybe, just maybe, it was time to reclaim his sanity. Maybe it was time to remind himself that he was more than just an exam score. For the first time in years, he closed his eyes, hoping for a peaceful sleep, not just another night of anxious studying.